Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the basics right. Park level, engine warm, and safety set. Once done, run the engine until normal temperature, shut it off, and wait 5 to 10 minutes so oil drains back into the sump. Make sure the hood is open and you know whether your Cayenne has a physically accessible dipstick or relies on the instrument cluster/infotainment oil level function. Now move to the measuring step. If you have a dipstick, have a clean rag ready, and if not, prepare to cycle the ignition for the electronic check. You now measure the level. If using a dipstick, pull it, wipe it clean, reinsert fully, then pull again and read where the oil film lands between the MIN and MAX marks. If near MAX, you're good. If your Cayenne uses the electronic system, sit in the driver's seat, cycle the ignition to accessory or run position, then navigate the service or vehicle menu to the oil level tool and follow on-screen prompts. Wait for the system to stabilize before accepting the value. You finish by topping up only if necessary. Remove the oil filler cap and add small amounts, about 1/4 liter at a time. Then wait 2 to 3 minutes and recheck the dipstick or electronic reading. Repeated small additions prevent overfill. Make sure you use the manufacturer-specified oil grade, note the change, close the hood, and reset any service reminders if applicable. If readings are inconsistent or the system flags errors, make sure the car is perfectly level and warmed as instructed. If the problem persists, visit a Porsche service center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.